Hello, welcome. Question 7, BECE 2025. A simple question here. The point M, 1, 3, and N, 4, 5 are in the number plane. We have to find the vector Mn. We are looking for the vector Mn. We need to know the position vectors of M. Position vector of M is 1, 3. Then the position vector of N is also going to be 4, 3 as a vector, but not as a point. Then we can recall that Mn as a vector will give you n minus what? N in terms of their position vectors. So let's go there. 4, 5, right? It is 5 here. So 4, 5 minus M, 1 what? 3. What do? We correspond the component and subtract. So this is 4 minus 1, then 5 minus what? 3. If we do that, we still have 3 on there. We still have 2 in here. So the option we are looking for is 3, 2, which is what? Option A. And I believe you understood. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.